5 gigasamples per second measurement now comes in a USB powered enclosure, and it's all in this new sleek PicoScope design. Introducing the 3000E series, bringing high-speed, deep measuring waveform measurement to PC-based oscilloscopes. The new slimline case design packs impressive specifications: 5 gigasamples per second sampling rate, up to 500 MHz of bandwidth, and 2 gigasamples of deep memory. They are powered and controlled by either a single USB-C with power delivery or USB with external power, making high-speed deep memory testing and measurement portable. Using the PicoScope 7 software, access up to 40,000 buffers of sample data, over 38 serial decoders, and various automated measurements and test tools, all available for free download. Alternatively, integrate a PicoScope 3000E into your system using the Pico SDK to measure high-speed signals up to 10 bits of resolution for automated test and verification applications. To learn more about the PicoScope 3000E series, click the link in the video description.